Okay, so I've been out of town here and Dad's been working. He's had some visitors from the Northwest Territories, but we're looking at the Johannesson Fisheries Bombardier.
This is body filled and sanded. I got a little bit of touch up to do in a couple of places.
Okay.
And this door fits very good.
I see you replaced the hinges.
Yeah, put new hinges on.
Okay. Leaves are falling here. It's coming full force.
Coming. This door is also fixed.
Okay.
What the hell? It fits tight all the way around. I had to jack it and pry it.
Okay, I see you got some grease nipples on the hinges
they all
here.
have grease nipples.
Okay.
This door here, I got everything straight except for down here. Can you see the gap?
Yeah, there's still a bit of a gap there.
Okay, what I have to do is make a special jig that fits on here.
Yeah.
With an eye. And I come along over to that side and block it and bend that door. Block it in here.
Yeah.
And bend that door in about 1.25 inches.
Okay.
Like, there's no way I can fix it otherwise. I had to cut here. I re-weld inside, take the handle off, re-weld inside and out to get this one to fit properly.
Okay. So you're still plugging away at this?
Well, now I'm sanding on this machine.
Okay. Sorry, this is Asham here, you said?
Yeah.
And what's going on with this Bombardier here?
I made shims here now. I got to bring the rad out 1 inch.
Okay.
And the new transmission is in.
Okay, and it
fit perfectly? Fits properly.
Good.
So now I have to make a transmission mount across here with a couple of eyes.
Yeah.
That bolt goes through to hold that steady and in place. And then the drive shaft and the brake.
Okay. So are you on the back end of this Bombardier now, like in terms of work, or?
No, I still got exhausts with two.
Okay. Any work on the engine at all, or?
No. I got too many things on the go. The motor mounts are all ready here.
Okay.
I got to take off this gasket material and put those headers back on. But first of all, I have to put the transmission mounts in. Okay. Because that's where it's going to sit.
So, much easier once you have the transmission that fits, right?
Got the brake parts.
Okay.
And of course, we're always waiting for something. So now the rad will just slip in here. Put 6 or 8 bolts on, and then I cut this garbage off. I got to make that fit again on top.
Okay.
There's lots of shit to do. And the funding runs out.
Yeah. Can't work for free.
Before you're always investing in parts and whatnot, and
yeah. So who are your new customers from Northwest Territories? What do they have to say?
Well, they're from Chesterfield Inlet, and they're gonna take pretty near all the parts I got.
Oh, wow!
They got 4 machines up there that they're going to use for freighting. And now that shaver's done, parts are getting pretty scarce.
Yeah, they're going to take everything.
Pretty well everything.
Wow. Okay.
And this is this is for Mr. Johannesson. This is Dixie horns.
Okay.
This is a compressor. Each one of these hooks to
Dixie horns, is that Dukes of Hazzard, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is what I have to mount it on. I gotta bolt that on, and then each horn gets bolted on.
Okay.
And then it goes underneath the hood.
Okay.
The front end.
Okay,
Well,
so you're busy. Have you been able to take a day off and relax or do anything?
No, I had 800 hills of potatoes that had to be dug, shit to clean up in the yard.
And no Kyle Herman.
And no Kyle Herman. He's an old digger from way back. But I do have the potatoes put away.
Yeah.
So now get outside work done whatever I can. The rest is inside, so we're good to go.
Okay. Any tip of the day?
I'm out of tips right now.
Okay. Have a bowl of soup and recharge.
Have a bowl of soup and get back at it.
Okay.